swaying. We keep the chrome clean. Shades on my eyes, feeling real supreme. Baseline bumping like you're living a dream. Bump. Bounce. Bounce. Let the good vibes ride.
So we've arrived at our first stop, and that is the hot springs. Hot springs are about 35 to 40 degrees, and there are different small spa pools where you can go inside and enjoy.
While the sun collide, groove all day, let the rhythm decide.
By the way, have you guys subscribed to my channel yet? If not, you are missing out on some really great content. So this is the natural hot springs. It's more like a waterfall, and you can get inside, and the temperature is around 35 to 38 degrees. They say that the hot spring water is very good for skin and for health. So you can literally splash it all over your face. They do have some medical benefits as well if you just immerse yourself in this hot spring pool.
Cobblestones glisten, the city hums low.
This is the spa pool, and the temperature here is not that hot is what they said. And that pool that you see, which is a mini pool, the temperature there is about 40 to 45 degrees. So I'm not going there, I'm feeling too hot. So yeah, it was a really fun activity and very relaxing, soothing. So now we are headed to our second spot, that is the Emerald Pool. And there too, there are three kinds of pool: the Crystal Pool and the Emerald Pool, and I think it's the Blue Lagoon. So we can just enter one of the pool, which is the Emerald Pool, because to reserve the natural corals and the natural habitats, they do not allow anybody to step inside the Blue Lagoon as well as the Crystal Pool. So now we are going to get back to the van and be headed to our next destination, followed by some delicious lunch.
I will recommend when we go in by number 3 and we exit by number 2. Walk like a circle. Because number 3 you will see a crystal pool. Number 4 you will see a crystal pool before you arrive at Emerald Pool. Like this jungle, no dinosaur, no Godzilla. Okay, come, everyone, enjoy your time.
So we've arrived at the Emerald Pool, and you guys could see that everybody is swimming here, and the water is kind of at room temperature. But yeah, I'm going to take a dip, see how it feels like, and then we will head towards lunch.
Hitting up the boulevard, see the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rim.
This is a smaller pool for kids, but the pool is very dirty. I didn't like it, plus it's too slippery, so I didn't get inside. So this is the restaurant where we're gonna have lunch, and there's a buffet. So I will show you what is actually there for lunch and what I'm gonna eat. So I've taken some vegetable fried rice. Then this is the stir fry chicken. This is some tom yum soup. Some chilies, of course, we are in Thailand, and some pad thai.
Down the strip with the top peeled back. Sunshine beaming. Yeah, the west.
So now we've arrived at the Tiger Cave temple. So the main temple is downstairs, and we can go inside and take a walk around, worship, etc. But if somebody wants to climb up, which is like 1000 to 1200 steps. We can go upstairs, look at the Buddha, look at the view, and have a great time. But none of us are going to climb upstairs because it's too hot and there are too many steps. I'm already tired and I don't want to be even more tired. So yeah. So this set of incense stick, candle and flowers are for 30 baht, which we can offer over there. So I'm going inside the pagoda temple to worship and pay a visit. The architecture really looks beautiful.